everyone, Tapper here. Today I'll be talking about and making a snake wolf. Now, there are 4 different snake wolves in my universe, and while there can occasionally be overlap, they're distinct. The 4 types are inspired by the snake genera of Lycodon, Lycophidion, Lycognathopus, and Stegonotus, and I apologize if I butchered any Latin pronunciations. Now, one of those is not like the others. While Lycodon, Lycophidion, and Lycognathopus are pretty standard, usually, we'll get to that, Stegonotus is an anomaly. It's a Georodelycempent, that name's still being workshopped, a strange blend of wolf, rat, and snake, all made of dirt like a golem. Its range overlaps with Lycodon's in a weird way. It is only really in one corner of the galaxy, but it's everywhere in that corner, while Lycodon is only in select patches. It's probably better to say that Lycodon overlaps with Stegonotus' territory. Now, I'm not clear which snake wolf I'm making here. It's probably Lycodon. I just know it's not Stegonotus. If anyone wants me to try, you can provide name suggestions in the comments. I'll circle back to Lycodon in a bit, but first I want to address the other 2. Lycophidion and Lycognathopus are more or less in the same corner of the universe. At least you'd be flying in the same direction to find both of them and heading away from the Lycodon-Stegonotus end of the galaxy. But they do not share habitats. While Lycophidion is found in multiple areas, it is not found on the lone planet that Lycognathopus exists on. Yeah, Lycognathopus is essentially a specialist, only found in one small corner. Finally, time to address Lycodon. This snake wolf is found just about everywhere in their side of the universe, including overlapping pretty heavily with Starpa territories, and they've got an extra little feature. In certain locations where they live, they have fur made of literal gold, fangs and eyes that look more like gemstones, and their scutes resemble gold. The scutes are not actual gold, otherwise they wouldn't get any traction while slithering. Their hunting strategy is distinctly different from a normal snake wolf. While normal snake wolves, all except for Stegonotus, will chase down their prey, golden snake wolves will settle into position in strategic locations and wait. Other creatures, or even possibly people, would walk past them thinking that they're just golden statues, and then they'd either strike out and seize, or circle around to bar their prey from leaving. It's debatable whether Stegonotus actually hunt. They're dangerous when crossed, but they avoid people. I'll talk more about their ecosystems as I go on and create more of the animals and plants. However, I will say, Dungeon Meshi has outright ruined me when it comes to thinking about fictional creatures. I'm sure anyone else who's watched that show would ask me if snake wolves are edible. And the answer is yes, for most of them. Lycophidion and Lycognathopus, yes. Lycodon, yes, even the gold ones. Think the treasure beasts. Well, treasure insects from Dungeon Meshi. Only Stegonotus is inedible, being made of dirt, but if you're able to tame one, you can manage to grow things in his back and he protects them from any hungry herbivores. But anyway, thank you all for coming to watch my video and listen to me ramble. I really do appreciate it. I apologize for any weirdness in my voice if there is any. I've been dealing with seasonal allergies for the better part of the month. I look forward to possibly seeing you next time as I work on the next fusimole of this little series, a Phila serpent. Anyways, yeah, I'll see ya.